With community safety in mind, UC Santa Cruz has taken great strides to create a safe environment for community members to live, learn, and engage. Numerous systems have been put in place to ensure a safe environment for students, faculty, and staff alike. UC Santa Cruz has both a police department and a fire department on campus, allowing for a quick response in emergency situations. When a student or community member dials 911 from a campus location, the campus 911 dispatch center receives the call. All calls are immediately triaged so that appropriate resources can be sent to assist in any given situation. In addition, all 911 calls are routed with GPS tracking. This gives the dispatcher a more accurate idea of where the situation is occurring. Blue light phones, which are emergency phones indicated by a blue light, are strategically located across the campus. Blue light phones are for emergency purposes and immediately connect to the dispatch center upon pressing the button for the intercom. UC Santa Cruz has created a campus emergency alert system called Cruise Alert. Cruise Alert is designed to allow the police and fire departments to communicate emergency situations to students, staff, and faculty quickly. If an emergency situation is to occur, all UC Santa Cruz email accounts will receive emails describing the situation and the location in which it is occurring. Cruise Alert will also text or call the phone numbers students provide in their contact information on their MyUCSC portal if requested by the student. If there are situations where information needs to be communicated but there is no immediate emergency, community alert bulletins may be sent by email. These bulletins generally provide awareness about crimes occurring in specific areas, information about persons of interest, or may provide information about potential traffic delays or other safety concerns. Community safety officers, or CSOs, work in conjunction with UC Police, UC Fire, and the administration of university residential communities, both on and off campus, to ensure a safe and secure living environment for all residents. CSOs are trained in first aid, CPR, disaster response, and to work with police and fire first responders in emergency situations. CSOs carry radios linked to the University Police Dispatch Center and work to ensure the safety of campus from the hours of 7 p.m. until 3 a.m. CSOs can be approached for assistance or reached by phone. Learn more about the impact CSOs have on campus safety at housing.ucsc.edu/safety. Staff members who live in university-affiliated housing and ensure safety in residential settings are resident assistants, referred to as RAs, and coordinators for residential education, or CREs. RAs, also referred to as neighborhood assistants or community assistants, depending on the residential college, are student staff living in each residential building. These students are also trained to work with police and fire first responders in emergency situations and are on duty in conjunction with CSOs. CREs are professional university housing staff, many of whom have backgrounds in emergency and crises response, counseling, and student development. In order to prevent unwanted visitors and reduce the amount of theft from residences, students are issued standard or electronic keys to access their buildings, in addition to the keys to access their individual rooms. No one can access the building if they do not have the required standard or electronic key. Students are encouraged to keep their residences locked at all times. To see more awareness videos or to learn more about safety measures at UC Santa Cruz, please visit the UC Santa Cruz Police website at police.ucsc.edu, the UC Santa Cruz Fire Department website at fire.ucsc.edu. Remember, safety is a shared responsibility. Being the eyes and ears for emergency responders is a critical role we each must play. Please report all suspicious activity, fires, medical emergencies, and crimes immediately. When you see something, say something. You just might prevent a crisis or emergency situation from occurring. We hope you have a wonderful and safe adventure at UC Santa Cruz.